Installation Guide for Fire Alarm Auto Dialer, FS-001. The FS-001 device is an automatic alert device designed to support fire alarm control panels, FACP. Its primary function is to send alert messages and make voice calls to users in the event of a fault or fire alarm on the FACP. This device utilizes GSM mobile technology to enable reliable communication. The device features a SIM card slot that users must insert a SIM card into for normal operation. The device will utilize the phone number associated with the inserted SIM card to make calls and send text messages when necessary. The device operates on a 24 volts power supply obtained from the FACP, Fire Alarm Control Panel. To ensure the normal operation of the device, 24 volts power supply is required for the device. In addition, the device has two input ports. Fire alarm monitor input. This port should be connected to the NO, normally open, and common, contacts at the fire port on the fire alarm control panel, FACP. Fault monitor input. This port should be connected to the NO, normally open, and common, contacts at the fault port on the FACP for fault monitoring. In case there is no fire port or fault port available on the FACP, please contact us for prompt assistance. We will provide the necessary support to address the situation. In case you are using an RST cabinet, connect the fault port on the FS-001 device to the NO and COM contacts on the fault port of the RST. Connect the fire port on the FS-001 device to the contacts 13 and 14 of the relay. Then, connect the wires from the contacts 5 and 9, or 8 and 12, on the relay to the NO and COM contact the fire port of the RST. The device has two lights, a red light on the left and a green light on the right, to indicate the device's status to the user. Rapid blinking red light. The device is rebooting. Rapid blinking green light. The device has not detected a SIM card. Slow blinking green light. The device has successfully detected a SIM card. Steady red light, not blinking. The SIM card inserted in the device is not registered to the owner's phone number. Installation Guide. Insert a micro SIM card into the FS-001 through the SIM card slot. Connect the wires from the FACP, Fire Alarm Control Panel, to the FS-001 device according to the following diagram. At the fire port on the FACP, connect the NO, normally open, terminal and the common, terminal to the fire port on the FS-001 device. At the fault port on the FACP, connect the NO, normally open, terminal and the common, terminal to the fault port on the FS-001 device. Connect the antenna to the circuit. User Guide. Users can send text messages to the phone number of the SIM card installed in the device using the following commands. 1. DKFS. Register owner number. Register the owner's phone number. The owner has full authority and will receive all text message notifications regarding fire alarms, faults, and device startup. In the event of a fire, the owner will receive a call from the device. Example: DKFS. 2. ADD+. Add secondary number. Add a secondary phone number. You can add up to 9 secondary numbers. Secondary numbers will receive text message notifications about fire alarms and device startup status. Example: ADD plus secondary phone number. When the FACP, Fire Alarm Control Panel, emits a fault signal within the system, only the owner's phone number will receive an SMS notification from the device. However, When the FACP emits a fire alarm signal, all phone numbers stored in the device will receive a fire alarm alert message. Additionally, the owner's phone number will receive a phone call alert from the device. DS. Display secondary numbers. View all current secondary numbers registered on the device. Example: DS. 4. XOA. Delete secondary number. Delete a secondary number from the device. The deleted secondary number will no longer receive text message notifications from the device. Example: XOA secondary phone number. 5. DT. Device rename. Change the device name to easily identify the location of the fire alert. Example: DT new device name. 6. KTTK. Account verification. This feature allows users to check the balance of the SIM card inserted in the device. It verifies if the account has sufficient credit to send SMS messages and make phone calls. If the account balance is insufficient, none of the registered phone numbers will receive any messages or calls. It is crucial to regularly check the account balance to ensure the proper functioning of the device. If the account balance runs out, it needs to be recharged or topped up. Example: KTTK. 7. HUY. Device reset. Reset the device and delete all data. Example: HUY phone number associated with the SIM card inserted in the device. Besides sending text messages, there is another method to erase the device as follows. 1. Press and hold the reset button. 2. While still holding the reset button, press and hold the reset ROM button. 3. Release the reset button. 4. Release the reset ROM button. Please note that once these buttons are pressed and held for a sufficient duration, all data on the FS-001 device will be permanently erased. Make sure you have been trained on the proper usage of this device before proceeding with the data deletion process.